Hello, I currently live in Mumbai and I have been facing this ear balance problem from the past 10 years. It had first occurred during my school days, and back then, when we had consulted doctors, we didn't know what was the exact reason. Then they told us that it was related to my ear problem, that is vertigo. I didn't knew exactly what was the main reason behind my balance problems, but then they just consulted me and gave me few medicines. They told me to follow those medicines only during those times whenever the giddiness would come, but it was never a complete relief for me. It was just for a specific relief, that's it. But later on again I used to face giddiness again and again. It was really tough. Life had become really tough because I was not able to concentrate on my studies and other activities properly the following years. And from past few years, that is past 3 years, it became really severe for me. I used to face giddiness again and again and face these balance issues. I was not able to do my routine activities properly. Not able to move myself or do things actively. I was really very low, and I used to feel very sad because I was really worried how will my future be. And I used to always pray to God to heal me completely because I had a hope in my God. And during those times, during these past a few months, my mother too, as she was very concerned about me, she started searching for doctors. We had actually consulted many doctors, many ENTs and neurologists in the past years, but it was never a complete relief. But then my mother, when she was searching, she found about Dr. Ravi on YouTube, and she saw few of the videos, the patients as they had shared their experience. We saw those videos. My mother was really happy seeing those videos, and she told me about those videos. And when we saw that, we were really assured by seeing their experience which they had shared, people who had been suffering from many years. At first we were not able to believe that will it be completely cured through a procedure without medicines. But then later on we talked to doctor on phone. Dr. Ravi told us that through this procedure it will be completely cured. Don't worry. The way doctor interacted with me, it was a great relief to me because he gave me really great strength. It gave me strength and confidence that yes, I would be able to overcome this problem. Dr. Ravi told us that during these COVID times, it can also be treated online through online videos. Therefore, we took an appointment, and thereafter, doctor told us the day. He told us to pray to God so that God may work through him. And then we earnestly prayed, and through doctor, I would say it is my God who has healed me through the doctor. This is my experience that I would like to share. Doctor is truly a blessed person because God has enabled him to help many people suffering the same problem from many years. After the few head movements and after this procedure, when a doctor completed the head movements procedure, I was able to get up on my own without any balance issues. I was able to stand up, and I felt as if my head was really light. It was very heavy, but then later on it felt as if I'm feeling really light, and I was able to move my head right and left, up and down very easily. Before I was not able to move that well, but then after the procedure I was really able to balance myself and my body. I really thank doctor for this procedure, and I pray that doctor may be able to help many more people, and it may be a great help to many people who have been suffering from this problem. Thank you.